Shield tunneling machines are the giants of underground infrastructure carving paths for subways, highways, and pipelines. Their components are massive, intricate, and built to withstand extreme conditions. To manufacture and maintain these engineering powerhouses, precision is everything. That's where KSCAN-X 3D scanner comes in. KSCAN-X is a versatile 3D scanning solution that combines laser scanning and photogrammetry, capturing both fine details and large-scale structures with outstanding speed and accuracy. Whether verifying the dimensional accuracy of a cutter head, inspecting wear on critical components, or reverse engineering a damaged part, KSCAN-X delivers data you can rely on. With long-term use and exposure to external forces like heat or pressure, machine parts can deform or shift over time. KSCAN-X captures precise data on roundness, flatness, and alignment, helping detect any issues before they affect performance. It enables engineers to visualize the entire structure, perform virtual assembly, and analyze deformations, making adjustments easier and more efficient. Bolt holes and connectors must align perfectly, and KSCAN-X detects even the slightest deviation with high precision, supporting accurate repairs and safer assemblies. With its ultra-wide scanning area, extended depth of field, and fast scanning speed, the KSCAN-X delivers smooth, high-precision 3D measurements for shield tunneling machines. Its wireless operation makes scanning easy and efficient, even working at heights or outdoor environments. From production line quality control to on-site repair assessments, the scanner seamlessly integrates into digital workflows, accelerating turnaround times and minimizing downtime.